Welcome to JH. Today we're diving into the world of Legends Trading, a US-based futures prop firm founded by Greg Cohican. They're dangling a carrot of up to $250,000 in funding, assuming you can actually prove you're a professional trader and not just someone clicking buttons in their pajamas. Naturally, you have to pass an evaluation first to demonstrate consistency and risk management. Because let's be honest, handing over $250,000 to a random stranger with a gut feeling about the market is a bold strategy even for the bravest of firms. Once you jump through the necessary hoops, accounts are funded through Rise. Most reviews highlight surprisingly smooth payouts and transparent rules, alongside a support system based on Discord and their website. It's always deeply reassuring when your financial future is managed on a platform where people also spend their time arguing about video games. The pros here include genuinely fair rules and competitive profit splits that won't leave you feeling like you've been mugged in broad daylight. On the flip side, the evaluations are notoriously strict, and if you're looking to trade anything other than futures, you're out of luck. Legends Trading is a solid contender for serious futures traders, provided you have the discipline to actually stay in the green. Just remember, the firm provides the capital, but they unfortunately don't provide the brain cells required to keep it. That's our take on Legends Trading.